Come on. Can you turn? Solomon. Solomon, where's Mommy? Hi, I'm behind you. Can you get yourself turned around? There you go, you're gonna get it. Come on. Hey, Annika, can you help Solomon turn around a little bit so that he's facing Mom? Or he might get it himself. Just turn him and don't push him towards me though, because I'm trying to get a video of him walking. Just turn him so he's facing Mom. Try again. Good girl, thanks. Turn, 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 turn. Perfect. Thank you, Annika. Come on, Solly Boo. Can you come to me? Nice. Nice. Good job, buddy. Yeah, Mommy, turn you a little bit. All right. Do a walk. Will you walk over there? You say, Mama. Mama. Say, Mama. That's it. You can turn it around. Good job. Merry Christmas, Annika. Merry Christmas, Mom. Merry Christmas, Nomi. Aw, I love you. Solomon. Oh, don't put your hand over it. Solomon. What, honey? Where's your stocking? You dropped it on the floor over by the chair. There's our Christmas tree. Solomon. Hi, buddy. Are you gonna walk? Are you stuck? Oh, you almost got it. Try to keep turning it. You can do it. Try again. Come on, buddy. Let's get one more walk out of you before the video's over. Come on. Come to Mom. Come on. Little goose. There. Now try. Come to Mom. Come on. Can you say Mama? Mama. Mama. Solomon. Oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Where'd your toy go? You find it?